This video explains how departure planning works for safari and trekking tour operations. Everything discussed here is conceptual, based on common operational workflows, and shown for educational purposes. No real client data and no sensitive operational information are used. Now that we understand how to read a timeline, the next question is obvious. How do bookings actually get placed into departure? In a timeline-based planning, attaching a booking is not a single action. It's a process with checks. This matters because attaching a booking affects seat availability, park day capacity, other travelers already on trip. So instead of attaching immediately, the system starts with a preview. Everything starts from the search bar. Each result includes booking date, number of travelers, and booking reference. So at this point, nothing is attached yet. You are simply selecting a booking to evaluate. This keeps the workflow safe and intentional. So as you can see here, we have the booking summary, which is editable, okay? We can modify itinerary or destinations. So, okay, now let's select today's date, click apply changes, then preview. So today is 27. It's just going to attach itself there. And if I say preview itinerary, since there's no overlapping dates from 27th, it will just place itself without any warnings. So I'll say attach this booking. We go to 27th, and you see that this particular booking is there. Okay, 27th. So up to this point, the client will receive the notification that their safari has been attached to an actual trip. So the same will go to guides, also the operation staff. Now, let's add another booking to test other cases such as parks or number of seats validation and other checks. Okay, so right now let's add another booking. Okay, so if we preview this, okay, down here we can see the warning that capacity has been exceeded on January 28th. So to get a clear view, we go to preview itinerary, which also shows seating capacity. Okay, so as you can see, the itinerary, the trip itinerary is up to January 30. Okay, the 30th of January. So this one overlaps up to 30th of January. So we learn that the system also checks seat capacity. Okay, so right now I will edit this booking and lower the number of travelers in a specific booking so that we proceed with other checks. So to do that, I'll go to booking page and edit the booking. So reduce the number of travelers to 3. Then come back to this one and say preview fit again so that it will refresh. Then we see, if I go to preview itinerary, I see that the seat capacity now is all green, which means okay. So we can see that the seat capacity checks are good. Okay, so let's try another thing. Let's put Serengeti, let's try to put Serengeti on the final date and try to match how it will go. Let's change the booking start date to 30th. Yes, let's preview this. You can see that there's a warning that the booking ends in Serengeti National Park. So booking must end in either Tarangire, Lake Manyara or Ngorongoro. If the program of a client ends in Serengeti, it's difficult for pickups, okay, to return them to Arusha. So the system also checks that. Let's make another test. We add Lake Manyara National Park. Click apply changes. So as you can see, the program starts with Lake Manyara National Park, goes to other destinations, then re-enters Lake Manyara National Park. So we preview this and we see what the system says. So there's a warning saying that the booking itinerary re-enters a park after leaving it. Park segments must be continuous. So we know for operations this is not good. It has efficiency and cost implications. I have taken my time to quickly edit this itinerary. So now it's like this. Let's attach it, ready for next experiment. So the booking we just attached is this one. Okay, now let me show you how the system can automatically align the booking itinerary. So let's add a new booking, actually attach a new booking. That's a new booking. Then click preview fit into instance. So as you can see, this booking starts on February the 2nd, and this is a trip itinerary. This one ends on February the 2nd at Tarangire National Park. But on February the 2nd, on the trip itinerary, it's Lake Manyara National Park. But mind you, they also have Tarangire National Park on other dates. So the rule is like this. If the booking itinerary follows the same parks but is slightly misaligned in dates, the system will automatically align the booking itinerary. Okay, now we go ahead and do the actual attachment. But before attaching, just observe how the booking itinerary has been rearranged to match the trip itinerary. Okay, so we click attach. Let's find that booking. As you can see, it's here. It has been placed after automatically realigning its itinerary. By doing this, it removes the need for manual date editing or trial and error process to adjust and spreadsheet cross-checking. That's a practical look at how bookings are attached to a departure using a timeline and clear rules. The key idea is previewing changes, checking capacity day by day, and keeping itineraries continuous before committing anything. Thanks for watching. Ciao.